everybody? Happy Labor Day weekend. We're on our way to Turkey Run State Park. My wife and I, we dropped the kids off at the grandparents this morning and we're going to do some hiking. The weather is kind of threatening looking and it is definitely on its way to Turkey Run State Park. It's about a 1 hour and 35-minute drive to Turkey Run State Park in Indiana from where we live. It's currently 9:45 in the morning. We just left the house, got some fuel in the truck, and got some fuel for me. Yay, product placement. No, McDonald's did not sponsor this. So yeah, it was gonna be kind of like a date day. I wasn't gonna vlog this today. Just as I got on the interstate, I saw some really beautiful lightning strikes. I'm like, man, that would have made some great footage. Man, this would have been a good vlog. I didn't bring any of my camera equipment. So I'm doing this on my phone today, guys, so please pardon the quality of, I don't know, maybe it'll end up better. Isn't she pretty? We're here. I'll put the mask on because all the state troopers have masks on. Hello. No, we're from Illinois.
Give me $9.
Alrighty. All right. There you go, sir. We just got to Turkey Run State Park. We're geared up and we're gonna go hit trail number 10, which we don't know where it's at yet. I suppose we should find it. And it's raining. Let's go. Still looking for trail 10. We found the restrooms. I think it's down that way. Okay, we still haven't found trail 10 yet, but I think we're getting close. They don't do a very good job defining what direction the trails are until you're like right up on the trails. So we're still looking for trail 10. Let's go find trail 10. So we're just gonna keep going. I don't think they want you to know what trail you're on. Wait, there's some kind of signage up there. If you guys are going to come out here, definitely come when it's raining. It definitely adds to the experience. That's where we came from. Need 2 hands for this. I want you guys to listen to something real quick. Okay guys, give you an update. We ended up on trail 4 somehow.
James busted his butt.
Yeah, I slipped and fell. Yeah, check this out. Does it look like I fell, honey?
Oh yeah, the backpack's so muddy.
I commandeered a stick from the forest. I'll give it back, I promise. So this is gonna help me prevent from falling again. It's important to wear the right shoes. I wore Crocs on this trip because they're comfortable. Hey, I'll give these credit. My feet still completely dry. But they just don't grip. But we're on trail 4. We're out of the rocky, rugged area. I have no idea where it's taking us. Don't let rain be a mental block to stop you from going on a hike, because it's so much better when it rains. We just stopped to eat something because we've been on trail 4 for a long time now. It's now 1:30 Illinois time. I've got some Uncrustables. Cheers, guys. I love a good PB&J. The bread has to be soft and fluffy. I usually make my own PB&J, but this is just easier. My lovely wife thought of it. She thinks of everything. I think the bottle broke my fall. You guys see that? Got some caramel corn too. All right, let's keep going. Okay guys, we're right back where we started from. We ended up doing the entirety of trail 4 while searching for 10. Definitely come when it's raining, it's so much better. The rain stopped since, sun's starting to come out, and all this moisture is turning into steam. So I'm glad we finished when we did. But it is so refreshing and calming when it's raining. Well, thanks for your service and stick. It was a good stick. That's a sight for sore eyes. Let's go find food because I'm hungry. I'm talking about real food. We're headed to Benjamin's Family Restaurant in Rockville, Indiana. We just left the state park. The sun's out. All the moisture is turning into steam, which I'm so glad we're out of the woods because it would have turned into a sauna in there. It would have been very unpleasant. We looked up the menu and it looks like a really homey little American place, and I'm really looking forward to some catfish. Welcome to Rockville, Indiana. Looks like a cozy little quiet town. I think I've been here in a motorcoach. I have been here in a motorcoach. I parked right there, in fact. And I got me some beans and cornbread from a street vendor right here. An old man selling beans and cornbread. Okay, my soup just got here with my coleslaw. That is a big bowl of soup. It tastes like the inside of a chicken pot pie. That's exactly what this is. This is chicken pot pie without the pie. This soup would be awesome on a really cold winter day. Really comforting, it's hearty. You could also pour this soup over mashed potatoes and it would make excellent gravy. It's like eating gravy, which nothing wrong with that. Really flaky. So good. Here's a piece that fell off out of the breading. You don't even need to chew that. Here's carrot. Carrot's okay. The fish is the real star of this show. Fluffy, flaky, white catfish. How's your eggs?
You know, 3 types of meat: ham, bacon, and ground beef, and then egg on top, and cheese. Protein overload. Loving it. So soft. It's like fish butter.
Fish butter, that's a great way to describe it. Definitely recommend Benjamin's Family Dining. Great place. Get the catfish. So good. That was really good. Great fish. We just got out of Benjamin's Family Restaurant and we're kind of just browsing around. We're in Rockville, Indiana. Indiana's a really cool place. Everybody's really friendly around here. And I love the small town feel. Mom and pop shops everywhere. My wife's in one of these stores. Trying to get in this one, but not sure how to get in.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Trying to fill it.
Yeah. You got quite a soda collection.
I tell you, you know what? I started with 30 inches, and I've been to Chicago twice in the last 2 weeks and brought back like 90 cases.
Wow. That's awesome.
Across the United States, there's like 360 regional pops. That's the Berghoff's is a German restaurant downtown Chicago.
Okay.
They make their own root beer.
Ah.
They all pretty much have little stories with them.
Wow. Pineapple
And-
cucumber.
That, you know, I was shocked how well that sold.
Really?
Because I kept thinking, oh, that is good.
Who's gonna buy pineapple
You know,
cucumber?
but they do. I'll tell you, banana sells.
Oh man. Banana soda. Okay, I'm gonna
I
have
was
to.
out of this frosty vanilla, and so I picked up all this pop, and I unpacked it in the back. Now this is a week ago Saturday, and I thought I've got every pop.
Uh-huh.
And this guy walks by, he goes, you know, you're out of frosty vanilla. Did you get any in? I said, yeah, it's right here. He goes, oh, I want the case. And I thought, oh great, now I'm out of something. This one's new. It's a brownie caramel root beer, and this one's salted caramel.
I want one of each. This is a neat store you have here.
Where do you live?
I'm from Urbana, Illinois.
I grew up in Champaign.
Did you? Yeah, I went.
So, you know, my dad ran a dime store that used to be downtown Urbana. You know where the theater, the movie, right across the street, that used to be a variety store. Dad ran it. It was a Scott's Dime store.
It's a restaurant now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, Crane Alley. Okay, we're gonna have to get a banana soda. I think a lemon meringue soda, the Capone Blue Raspberry. Yeah, one of these two. Bubblegum cigars. I feel like I've traveled back in time. Victory candy. Turkish taffy. I'm gonna have to get some of these candies. These are like old school. Big Hunk. Gold Mine. Nugget bubblegum. Charleston Chew. This is kind of dangerous. Old-fashioned hard candy. Oh, Bazooka bubblegum. That's a classic. Gonna have to get a couple of these. I don't even know where you would get some of these anymore. This place is awesome. I love this place. I don't think I know what the place is called. I just kind of walked in without looking at the name. A little tight on the corners. What is the name of this store?
G&M Variety.
G&M Variety. Thank you. We're in G&M Variety. Okay, let's go find the wife before I spend too much money. G&M Variety. That place is awesome.
It's like 5 stores in one, and you can find everything under the sun there. And it's pretty reasonably priced.
We're actually gonna head home now. It's 3:16 Illinois time. About an hour and 45-minute drive.